Hey there, I'm Sarah at WTI, and I am wearing some super lightweight and very fun tassel earrings. Now, these came in a set with a huge amount of choices. Let me show you what they look like.
So this is just a few of the different earring choices you get. And of course I have my favorites. The black always I think looks good with everything. They're really nicely made, the tassels themselves. And again, the hoop is extremely thin, barely there metal. So it's really, really lightweight. But as you can see, the brilliant colors of the tassels, they're really beautiful.
So I really find these to be easy to wear. There's such a huge variety of color choices. There's no way you won't find something to go with everything in your closet. But you could also divide up the amount and maybe give a few of the earrings as gifts. If you come across colors that maybe you don't think work for you, or if you just want to be generous, you could give a few of them away and still have plenty for yourself. I love the fact that they are super lightweight. For me, earrings that are bold sometimes really weigh me down, but these are literally light as a feather, like you hardly know you have them on, but they really add such a fun pop of color. So I'm a big fan, and that is my point of view.